Hey, I hate these rainy days. I can't do anything outside. Even with the footy grounds and tennis courts across road, I still miss golf.
Mike, you do realise we're around the corner from Eastland. They've got holy moly, you can play golf inside.
Really? I'll get my club. Large kitchen, dining area opening out to the courtyard, gas cooking in the kitchen, very modern appliance like dishwasher, oven. Spacious living area, open fireplace, perfect for the cozy night.
All right, Mark, I'm all done. You gonna go play some golf?
Yes, I'd love to come, but I can't find my ball.